Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Fridge Magnet Button Making Machine Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
CNC Mini Size 3W/5W UV Laser Marking Machine with Air Cooling System, designed for high-precision engraving and printing. Perfect for marking photos, logos, and text on leaves, plastic, leather, acrylic, and other materials. Compact, efficient, and ideal for creative DIY projects or professional use.
Number 3.
DIY Fridge Magnet Maker Machine supports 50 to 80 mm rectangular sizes, ideal for creating personalized photo refrigerator stickers. This set includes a durable press, 100 PCS magnet materials, and a paper cutter for precision. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, or small businesses producing custom gifts, souvenirs, and promotional items.
Number 2.
Best Fridge Magnet Button Making Machine. Create stunning personalized magnets with this 50 by 50 mm square maker machine. Complete with a durable press, precision cutter, and 100 PCS material set, it's perfect for DIY, gifts, crafts, or business use. Easy to operate, reliable, and built for long-lasting performance.
Number 1.
Square Refrigerator Badge Press Rotating Machine is designed for DIY projects and small businesses. Compatible with 50 by 50, 63.5 by 63.5, 53 by 80, 65 by 90, and 80 by 80 mm sizes, this set includes 100 PCS magnet material parts. Easy to operate, durable, and efficient for creating personalized refrigerator magnets, gifts, and promotional items.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.